Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to limit mobile data usage in YouTube Music app. And now let's dive right in. Now to limit mobile data usage in YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and again you can see the fourth option here. It says data saving. Tap on the fourth option that says data saving just below the playback, and you can see, guys, on this interface at the top of the screen you can see the first option that says limit mobile data usage. Now in order to turn on or enable the limit mobile data usage in the YouTube Music app, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and you will start to limit mobile data usage on your YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to limit mobile data usage in YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.